December 16th, 2020. This one here I got a call from a lady. She got an old Burnham boiler that was a conversion burner, and she got no heat. The boiler's hot, but it's not circulating through the circulators. She says the control looks like it's fried. This is what she's telling me on the phone, so we'll have to go over there and see what's going on with it. Doesn't sound like the circulator's running. It sounds like the boiler's getting warm, but it's not circulating. It's cold out. So I left the dog home. A little cold, a little nipply this morning for the dog, so until the truck warms up. But anyway, we'll try to get you some shots, see what's going on over here with this dilemma. Sounds like her or her husband's been around there playing around with shit. That's what it sounds like to me, so we will see. Never a dull moment. I mean, look at the way this thing's wired. It's all fried. The control's bad for sure. So the boiler's warm.
Right.
But there's probably no power going to the circulator.
No.
Look at this. What a flipping mess. Look at it. Not even any connectors on anything. I mean, that's really bad. I mean, let's see what I got. I might have a used one in the truck. You rather go with something used?
Yeah, and then I want to know.
I don't know. I could check. I might. Let me see if I got a used one. Alright, we gotta change that control. Wiring's a flipping mess. We gotta fix all that too. It's all cooked. We know the piping is warm. The boiler's warm. So the burner's running, but the circulator's not. It's calling. Check it, make sure that there's power going to. There's no power going to the circulator. I have a used control here. I can sell her. Let's see if there's any power going to that circulator, which I doubt. No power. So control's bad. Hold in. So we got the power off. We got to change this thing. What a flipping mess. What a flipping mess. Unbelievable. There's the burner circuit. That's a like I said, I got a used control here. I'll sell her. Save her a couple of bucks, half price. Look at this for a circulator. Unbelievable. Cold up in the house. She's really cold. I gotta clean all this wiring up. I can't leave it like this. Unbelievable. I might have to get something a little longer. Unbelievable. Look at this. This is all flipping loose too. Look at this. It's all fucking loose. Wow. Look at this. It's all loose in here. Loosey goosey. Unbelievable. Look at it. What a flipping mess. And then the TT. That's really bad. That's really bad. 5/16. Looks like a different type of probe in there. That's definitely different. This is a 110 one also. You can see the CZZR there, right? So I know that's 110. Alright, so I had to put that assembly in there. Then this should be able to slide right in and connect. What a shit show. I think if I see, this has got a low and a high. I should be able to tie the white and the red together, and then we'll just use the high. Or we could leave the low in there and just leave it low. Typical issue with somebody that doesn't have any money, right? Shit just floating in the flipping wind like that. Right? You just can't have stuff floating in a flipping wind like that. Holy shit. There we go. What a shit show, mama. This wire's like way oversized. Way oversized. Tight in there, you know?
Yeah. What do you think it would cost to replace this?
The whole burner?
Yeah, like a new unit. It's 15 years old. And like I said, it never got... What do you think about it? Like, how much longer do you think it's got?
Well, it's hard to say. One day at a time here, right?
Right.
That's the way I do things, one day at a time.
Yes, sir.
See how things go.
I'd rather have a small business do it, you know? Since he came out so quick and everything, when it does need to be done.
Well, luckily I was available.
Yeah, I know. I'm grateful. I'll be upstairs.
Okay. She's a flippin' shit show, Mama. She is a shit show. Big time shit show. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So that should be C1, circulator 1. Not the best wire. It'll work. I just have to get something for this B1. I gotta make sure all these connections are tight. Well, that's what happened to the other one. Everything was loose as a goose, and he just fried up. Fried chicken, Mama. Alright, so B1's burner 1. We'll go there, and then we'll just cut this and put a wire nut on there. And be done. That'll be the burner. Alright. This one's got a low limit. If you want to jump out the low limit, see this red and this white, you just tie them two together and they'll jump out the low limit. And we'll no longer have a low limit. See this red? Right? And this white over here. Tie them two together, and then that kills that low limit. Because the other one was a coal start boiler, right? Tie these two together now, it's strictly got just a high limit. Okay. Alright, should turn it on and it should be fine. There goes the circulator. Oh, the high limit I'll put at 120, 180. Yeah, she's running now. Look at the low limit jump. The low limit's not being used, just the high limit. That's why I saved the old parts. When I came here, all the wiring was loose on this thing. Let's see how it's all fried. And this is a cold start control. The expansion tank on this old beast. Right here. Looks like that might have to be drained down. Alright, put the cover back on the circulator. I cleaned up all the pipe, all the connections that were loose as a goose. Weren't even there. So we put a different control in there. I had in the truck. I used one and dropped the low limit out, so it's strictly high limit like the other one was. I should do it. Replace main operating control and connectors. I know it works, and I took it off a good job. A lot of them I'll take off, like boiler replacements. I'll save them for people like this that don't have a lot of dough.